Hello friends, welcome to SMA Vlog. I'm Shahid. Today I want to present a kitchen appliance. It's called Airfryer. So it's a company called Insignia, marketed in Canada by Best Buy. I found it very cheap and kind of affordable. So in this video I'm going to unbox this product and will show you what's inside, what are the features and what specialty this thing has, and we'll go from there. So stay with me. So guys, this is the box. I bought it from Best Buy. This is the Insignia 5 liter. This is marketed by Best Buy in Canada. This is a air fryer. That means it fries and cooks the food inside its tray and cook your food very fast in high temperature. The temperature range it is mentioned here is 82.2 to 204 degrees centigrade, which is equivalent to 180 degree Fahrenheit to 400 degree Fahrenheit. It's a 5 liter model, so its capacity is 5 liter. As you see here, it's the picture is given here. This is the picture and it has some preset. It's a new item for me. Recently I came across to this and I kind of end up buying it. It has a digital control panel that will control the temperature, fan speed, and I believe the time. As you see here, it has a tray, temperature control unit, and this is the tray where you can put your product inside. These are the specification of the dimension of the actual product. It's 14.1 inch high and 12.8 inch wide. Beside that, it's 11.5 pounds, so around 5.2 kg. It has a digital control panel. This is the digital control panel where you can see both the time and the temperature. It has a non-sticky basket. In this basket you will put your food inside. It can cook your food very easily. Two big advantages of using this product instead of your regular convection oven or your electric oven is that in the electric oven you need to preheat your oven into up to a certain temperature, which is very time consuming, and not only that, it consumes lots of electricity as well, and you end up with paying a lot of amount of bill. So in order to reduce that, it can cook your product without preheating. Like you just press the button and it will preheat or heat up very quickly. It will reduce the time and also reduce the cost of electricity. Another big advantage of this product is that you don't need to add extra oil on the food. You can cook the food almost without putting any oil. Just you need to spray a little bit of oil and that's it. Let's not waste time by talking and let's open the box and let's see what is inside. So this, first of all, we'll find this instruction book or the guidebook. Let's go inside. Wow, this is the main item. So this is the air fryer made by Insignia. So guys, this is the Insignia air fryer. It has a glossy finish. So this is the Insignia air fryer. So basically on the top we can see that it has few preset items, and it has shown if you want to cook this item you have to press this, and the temperature you need to put is 400, and how much minute you need to put is 9 to 10 minutes. If you want to cook bacon, then you need to put the temperature in 400 degree Fahrenheit and it needs 6 to 10 minutes. If you want to cook the chicken, you have to put in 360. So basically everything is mentioned here. These are the preset items, and they are showing it, they are recommending this is the time and temperature you need to put here, but it's up to you. You can manipulate, you can play around with the temperature and the time. Now let's see this. This is we have a tape here and another tape is here. These are the safety tapes. Now basically this is the main thing. This is the main basket. You have to press here, so you have to press it towards inside and pull the tray outside. So this is the way how you can take it out. This is the tray. Let's take a look. This is the tray, and this is the basket where you will put your food inside and start the cooking. Okay guys, so this is the basket. It has a cover or floor underneath, so it's totally risk free. No oil will fall down, but you can open this, take out this basket as well. There is a red button here, you can see. If you press this red button, this basket will come out. So now you see there is a paper here. We'll take out this paper, and so this is the floor. You can wash it in the everywhere, like you can wash it in the dishwasher, or you can wash it with hand. Anything is possible. And this is your main tray, so you can and this is the safety clip of the main tray. This is the safety clip. So this is the tray of your food. Okay, and then this heater, I mean the air fryer, will work and cook your food. This is very lucrative. It's big and not that heavy. So that's it guys. There is a manual. You can go through the manual and you can go from there. But basically what you need to do is put your food inside, put the tray inside, and press the button, and it will work. This is just a preliminary review and unboxing of this Insignia air fryer. Soon I will share with you guys different recipes, how you can cook different foods in this air fryer in my next video. So thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned and be with me in my next videos. Bye bye.